I'm starting to find myself now being like, nah, there is no right time to do anything. You just got to start doing.
It's working time, and so this is a back panel of the shirt. Then this is the front panel, and this is the other front panel. So the thing is, we need to combine the three of them. To we need to combine the three of them to have a shirt. So I want to combine the three sides, the three panel, but I'll start with one, I show you, then the other one, then I show you. Then we make the collar, the two arms, and we put the buttons. Let's get to it. Mwingine utoka ukaruka kama tu wacha mvumilie na utu wangu alafu ujipoteze tu fahamu. This is the progress so far. I want to finish the sleeves. I already joined this side panel, so when I'm done with that sleeve, I'm going to join this other one and make the other sleeve. Then we'll meet when I'm doing the collar. Yeah, the collar. I'm trying to place these buttons to this shirt. It's almost complete, just a little bit. This is my baby's bed. She's not around, so I'm misusing it. I'm supposed to place these buttons. You see, I'd placed them wrongly. So when I was almost done is when I realized I'd placed them wrongly. So I want to do it in a proper way as I watch Gina's family vlog. No, Gina's channel. Yeah, I'll show you guys when I'm done. It's just stressing. Yeah. And yay! We are done. We are done fixing the buttons. Please ignore the background noise. Yeah, so we are done. The sleeves are ready. I'll cut off these yarns. Yeah, and then we have the collar. And this, I'll show you guys when I hang it around.